Be like, hey everybody.
What's up?
We're at the Mansfield Dam, walking with my baby.
I don't know what to say.
He's not shy, people.
Oh, I'm not shy. I just don't know what the hell to say.
Oh, that's better. He can see us, baby. Don't really.
We're nature.
He's not a zombie,
best
people.
Friend.
We're just taking a nature walk. See? The nature walk. Let's show everybody. Hi, baby.
What's up? How you doing?
See? I got my own.
We just missing a couple of things. Missing a fishing pole, a tent,
Oh!
and she just dropped the damn
I almost
camera
lost
almost.
Yeah.
And that's a blooper.
It's a pregnancy thing.
Oh.
Clumsiness.
Oh.
Yeah, but see,
Well, watch out
but
for that
everybody,
root. Watch out for that root so you don't trip.
I got my own Forrest Gump in here.
I'm not Forrest Gump. I just sound like him.
Baby, you should do from the.
Stupid is as stupid does.
See, I told you I got my own Forrest Gump. And it's a nice day out. It's a beautiful day out.
If we have Facebook Live
For
right
pregnancy walking, I should say. With this one. My Lovebug over here.
We're in nature, so nature calls.
Nature calls.
Yeah, watch out, watch out, watch out. There's that branch.
I know where the fuck I'm going, baby.
I'm just making sure you ain't tripping there, dork.
You're not even halfway in this video. Get the fuck in the video. Baby.
Where am I? Where am I? Oh, I'm here.
He's a little dorky. That's why I love him. Obviously making sure I don't trip, right?
Yep, I got you.
See, my baby loves me, baby.
I love all the beautiful girls in the world side. Ooh.
Deuces.
Thought that was shit.
Wow. You see? He thinks
I'm a dork.
He thinks a footprint is shit.
And bam, you just made your shit storm.
Deuces.
Bye-bye. See you later.